Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Dr. YT. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of eye health and exploring a range of tips and exercises that can help improve and maintain the well-being of our eyes. Whether you spend hours in front of a screen or simply want to protect your vision for years to come, these tips will be invaluable. Let's get started. Let's talk about the 20-20-20 rule in more detail. Every 20 minutes, take a break and look at something at least 20 feet away for about 20 seconds. This simple practice helps reduce eye strain and fatigue, especially if you work on a computer or stare at screens for long periods. Number 2, blink frequently. Blinking is a natural way to keep your eyes lubricated and prevent dryness. When we're focused on screens or reading for extended periods, we tend to blink less, leading to discomfort. Make a conscious effort to blink more frequently, especially during screen time. Number 3, adjust screen settings. Optimizing your screen settings can significantly reduce eye strain. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and color temperature of your device to suit your comfort level. You can also consider using blue light filters or apps that reduce blue light emission, especially in the evening. Number 4, use proper lighting. Proper lighting is essential for a comfortable viewing experience. Ensure that your workspace is well lit, but avoid glare from direct overhead lighting or sunlight. Position your light source behind or beside you, rather than in front of or behind your screen. Number 5, stay hydrated. Hydration is key to overall health, including eye health. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps prevent dry eyes and maintains optimal moisture levels in your body, including your eyes. Number 6, eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet rich in nutrients is beneficial for your eyes. Include foods like leafy greens, fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, citrus fruits, nuts, and seeds in your meals. These foods provide vitamins and antioxidants that support eye health. Number 7, protect your eyes from UV rays. UV rays from the sun can damage your eyes over time, leading to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Wear sunglasses with UV protection whenever you're outdoors, even on cloudy days. Number 8, quit smoking. Smoking is harmful to your overall health, including your eyes. It increases the risk of eye diseases such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and damage to the optic nerve. If you smoke, consider quitting for the sake of your vision and overall well-being. Number 9, get regular eye exams. Regular eye exams are crucial for detecting any vision problems or eye diseases early. Schedule appointments with an eye care professional such as an optometrist or ophthalmologist, at least once a year or as recommended based on your age and eye health. Number 10, use proper eyewear. If you wear glasses or contact lenses, ensure that your prescription is up to date. Wearing the correct eyewear not only improves your vision, but also reduces eye strain and fatigue, especially during activities like reading or working on a computer. Number 11, practice eye exercises. Incorporate eye exercises into your daily routine to keep your eye muscles strong and flexible. Some exercises include eye rolls, focusing on near and far objects, palming, covering your eyes with palms, and using eye movement techniques to improve coordination. Number 12, maintain a good sleep routine. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including eye health. Lack of sleep can lead to eye fatigue, dryness, and irritation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to allow your eyes to rest and rejuvenate. Number 13, limit screen time before bed. Reducing screen time before bedtime can improve sleep quality. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your natural sleep-wake cycle. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime, or use blue light blocking glasses or screen filters. Number 14, use eye drops. If you experience occasional dryness or irritation, consider using lubricating eye drops or artificial tears. These can provide quick relief and help maintain moisture in your eyes, especially in dry or air-conditioned environments. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to improving and maintaining your eye health. Incorporate these tips into your daily life, and remember that small changes can make a big difference in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching, and take care of those precious eyes. See you in the next video on Dr. YT.